out. Ariana. No. Ariana, stop moving the camera. Thank you. Oh, so. Right. But if I didn't just find £5, ka-ching, ka-ching. £5. Yes.
What am I doing, man?
You said those hands don't look good.
No, I never. No words came out of my mouth.
Turn up!
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a closet reorganization because my closet looks like an absolute mess and you are going to see this. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, follow my social medias, and yeah, let's get into the video. So this is a really big view of my wardrobe. It's quite colourful. I'll just pan down on the wardrobe so you can see the mess. So that's the mess at the bottom as well. It's like completely stocked up with clothes. It's a lot, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna start with the bottom first and then we move up to the top. Start from no copyright. So let's get into my side of the wardrobe. So let me just brush out all these clothes and let's start. So guys, I have a pile of clothes right here. This is the pile of clothes that we're dealing with right now. Yeah, and we're also going to be dealing with these upper clothes and the boxes up there. Right, so I'm going to do jeans first because jeans are the easiest to do. I'm literally sweating already and I've just started. So I'm going to put my nice jeans over here and put the jeans that don't really like fit me like somewhere else. I don't really like that. So this jeans, no, it's out. Ariana. No. Ariana, stop moving the camera. Thank you. Oh, so right. So these are like the jeans. Okay, so basically one thing I can notice is they don't really fit around the waist tightly. That's not me, but I like how they're like high-waisted. It's just nice. So yeah, I'm keeping these jeans. They fit pretty. I just did about with it in it, right? Just in about. I don't know what waist this is. I don't know. Right, let me just pack this in there. These joggers, they don't even fit me, but I like them. Like they're so. Here's a mess. Sorry, but I absolutely like them. Like they're so cute. Like look at these. Look at these. Look at these. They're so cute. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to like see. But the waist needs to be more cinched in. Cause like, look at that. See, if the waist is more like cinched in, these will look bomb. But I don't know. I might have to just give these away. Okay, so these are the next jeans. I don't think I'm going to keep these. They are okay. These fit okay, but I've just cropped the top as well so you can see like it around the waist. It's what should I say? No, I don't really like these. They don't really create a figure on me, so I'm not keeping them. These jeans are no straight off the bat. Guys, these are the next. This is the next outfit. I like this, so I'm gonna keep it. Houses look so bomb with this. Like it would look so good in boots. I don't know. I'm gonna have to show you it. Okay, so this looks sick. It wears like some big boxy boots or boxy shoes or something.
You're rude.
What am I doing, man?
You said the trousers don't look good.
No, I never.
No words came out of my mouth.
I'm not really sure about these jeans. I don't know, what do you think? I think they would look really cute with this top. I don't know. These are kind of too big for me though. And the fly is up as what? Oh yeah, my sister's playing video games. I like them because they're dark, but I might get different like darker jeans. Oh, I don't know what to do. There's so much clothes, I'm sweating like a pig. Okay, I'm gonna sort out joggers, dishes in the jogging pile with like the, yeah. But if I didn't just find £5, I have it. Ka-ching, ka-ching. £5, yes. So these jeans are definitely having to go because they just don't look good. They just don't look good. I just don't like them. So I mean, they'll probably look better on someone who's more of like a slender figure.
Me.
These I wear these multiple times. I just don't like these. I might give these away to someone, my sister, or I just literally just sell it. So I'm just probably gonna give this. Isha, would you want these jeans? I don't know. I don't like them. They're skinny jeans. These jeans I'm also going to give away because they're too big for me and it doesn't look good. I just don't like the way how they look on me anymore. Oh my gosh, I have been looking for this skirt for 6 million years. And I have no, oh my gosh, this skirt is so cute. Like, what? I'm not sure about these shorts. I like them. I'm kind of wondering why I bought them. But yeah, this top matches with everything, like literally. It's like a purple brownish top, but this is cute. Everything looks so damn cute. Like, what with this top? Like, oh my gosh, I gotta get one of these. Okay, so I believe I'm finished with the jeans, so I'm just gonna put them in now, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to start folding the skirts now. So I'm sorry for all this noise that you're hearing. I'm gonna start with the skirts first now. So I'm gonna pack all the skirts, fold all the skirts so I know that can actually fit me, and yeah. Okay, so I finished folding up some of the skirts, but does this not look cute? Or am I just blind? I'm keeping this. I'll keep it. So I was gonna like give away this skirt, but I was thinking, oh wait, maybe I can just wear this to church or something, or like an event, like or like a funeral or something. So this is why you don't throw away all your clothes. Gotta think outside the box. Yeah, this is, yeah, I'm gonna have to give this away as well. It's not working for me. It's just dropping off me and it's just too big. I could fit like another person in here, like me. Anyway, okay, so these are the last shorts that I'm going to show you. I'm going to get on to doing the tops because my battery is actually quite low, so I'm gonna have to just switch off and say bye bye. So bye guys. This is what I've sorted out so far. I've ordered some of the coats that I could, like non-hooded coats, because I put my non-hooded coats in here, and then my other coats downstairs on the actual pegs, and then here are like my hoodies in like just hoodies, and then a couple of just random stuff here. Some of this stuff I'm gonna actually take out, try it on, see if I like it. If I don't, I'm giving it away. Also, I've actually like folded up the clothes down here, which is great. And then up here I've put my bags and my belts and like accessories and stuff like that. And there's my hat as well. But yeah, this is the pile that I'm currently working with now. This is like a giveaway pile, so I don't really want that stuff. And then here I need to give this to my school, because my college, I mean, because it's not even mine. I borrowed that for like my play that I was doing, and we didn't even get to do it because of quarantine. And this is what I'm giving to my sister, and I'm just gonna get on with the rest of this. This top is actually kind of cute. It's giving me Egyptian kind of queen vibes. I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving the vibes of this. I'm just loving it. We're living for a queen. Yeah. Okay, so let me change. So I'm gonna keep this top for sure, and the other one. I got this in a yellow one as well. This top is next. I was so skeptical about this top. I was like, I'm gonna probably give it away, but it actually looks nice in real life. Like, it's a more greeny. I don't know if I can just get like a better clip of like the color. Let me just move the camera and let me see. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. I feel like if I was to wear this with like sparkly clips and like, I don't know, like a skirt, and maybe it could pull it off. I don't know if you can actually see the color of it from the camera, but yeah, I'm gonna keep this here. I feel like I could probably wear this with something. Okay, so this top is the most difficult top I've ever tried on. The only thing I would say about this top is that you can wear it to the beach. It's nice, but you cannot change out of it or put it on. You can't wear a bra with this or anything because it doesn't allow any access for that. But it's super cute. Also, there's a tie. There's a tie as well. There's a tie. There's like a thing. It's like you have to do certain things in order to get the top on. Like, it's just complicated. But I'm only gonna wear this once. I'm not even going to think about wearing this like as a thing. Just maybe to the beach, maybe on a night out. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It just looks. What do you think about this? No, it don't look good. Same. It just doesn't look good. It's not flat on me whatsoever. I'm gonna put this in the unwanted pile. This is the next. I really just. I feel like I'm not gonna like this. I look like a video. Ish, what do you think? It looks so cute. Yeah. It also looks dusty. Yeah, I should just put it in the unwanted pile. I have to really think, what is this top doing for me? Because it's not giving me any justice. It's just tight. It's pitched on the track, and yeah, I think I would have to like take off the band on the bottom. Okay, so I've taken the band off. I don't know. I don't know. The top is super cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'll decide after watching this video what I'm going to do with this top. because it is cute, but something needs to happen. This looks cute. Am I going to wear it? I have no idea. And that's too baggy. It just looks like drop down here. It just doesn't. I don't like, what's that man called from It? It doesn't look like him. Like, it just doesn't look good.
So why is it always kind of like whoop?
Yeah,
Like a JoJo character or something.
yeah, I look like a clown. I'm just gonna take this. I'm definitely throwing this away. This looks cute. I like it, so I'm going to keep it. The last item that I'm trying on is this swimsuit. Yeah, I like it. It's nice, fits well. You know what, I'm not really used to wearing, I'm not really a fan of the color black, but I'm actually starting to like the color on me. Thumbs up this video if you think this is nice, if you think the color black suits me. This is my wardrobe, all done. Hoodies, coats, rest of my stuff. Here is the bottom. It looks way more neater than before, and I've got everything sorted out. Here's the top, way more like emptier, and yeah, this is my unwanted part. I'll probably just put this in a bag somewhere. And yeah, and then this is the clothes I'm giving to my sister, and that's the clothes I'm giving to college. And yeah, that's it now. Okay, so guys, well done if you made it to the end of the video. I know this video is super long, but I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, put your notifications on if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!